If you can't solve this problem, it's hard to score above 90 on the exam. Let's read the problem. The problem states that the sum of a and b is 36, and a divided by 3 plus b divided by 2 equals 14. So, what are a and b respectively? Many children don't even know where to start when they see this problem. Actually, once you master the method, it's very simple. Today, teacher Lizzie will teach you a trick, combining numbers and shapes to solve it easily. Look, a divided by 3. When you see division, what comes to mind? Right? It's equal division. So here, why don't we try to represent A as a simple line segment like this? Now let's imagine it is divided into 3 perfectly equal parts. We have 1 part, 2 parts, and finally 3 parts. Given that we have split it up this way, what exactly would you say each individual part represents? It's A divided by 3. Let's go ahead and fill this in as well. This section is also A divided by 3, and the next part is also A divided by 3. Now, moving on to B, we are going to use the exact same method. Let's assume that B is a line segment that looks something like this. In other words, we are going to divide it into 2 perfectly equal parts, and each of those parts is simply B divided by 2. Let's continue. The problem states that A plus B equals 36, which means that all these parts added together equal 36. At the same time, 1 part of A divided by 3 plus 1 part of B divided by 2 equals 14. 1 part of A is here and 1 part of B is here. Do they add up to 14? You will observe that this position also adds up to 14. So you will find that this is the single remaining small piece. How much does this small piece equal? It's very simple. Just take 36, subtract 14, and then subtract another 14. What does that equal directly? Hey, I was just wondering, doesn't the variable a divided by 3 actually equal 8? Let me know what you think. If 1 part is 8, then tell me, what does a equal? It's 24, meaning 3 times 8 equals 24. If a is 24, then b is 12. Easily done. If your phone still has 1% battery left, could you give the teacher a free little heart?